Today I'm going to show you how to import your grades from Edgenuity into Infinite Campus. We're going to be using this spreadsheet to do it, and a link to the spreadsheet can be found in the description. First, you'll need to find your grades on Edgenuity. You can do this by going to Courses and opening up the gradebook. Once you're on the correct class, start with the first student, highlight their name and all their grades. If the assignments go off to the right, or if the names go down to the bottom, make sure that you're selecting all of them. Then right-click, copy, and paste them into the spreadsheet. If it's not pasting nicely into columns, then click on the arrow below the pasting button and find an option that makes it paste in columns. When you paste, it won't paste any numbers from Edgenuity that are covered by pictures. Let me show you what I mean. There's this clock symbol and this ribbon symbol that are covering up some grades. You have to click on them and manually find the grades for those students. So this student has a 40%, and then this symbol here, this student has an 80%. So I can either manually enter those into the gradebook at the end, or I can enter them into this spreadsheet so that way it'll paste it for me. So I have the 40%. Make sure that you do have the percentage symbol so it's consistent with the others. And here's the 80%. It's also good to note that sometimes the roster in Edgenuity is not in the same order as the roster on Infinite Campus, and so you'll want to make those adjustments now before you paste the grades using this tool. Next, click the top cell in the column that you want to paste into the gradebook. I'm going to paste column L, so I'm choosing that top row. You'll also need to open up Infinite Campus and select the top row in Infinite Campus. So it's already selected here, but this is where I want to paste my grades, and so I just need to make sure that it's in the top cell. Once you've selected both top cells, you can click on the Start button. That's what I'm going to do now, and it will start pasting the grades into the columns. While the code is running, make sure that you don't click anywhere or change to another window or another program. You want to let it run and let it finish. Notice that how after each grade is pasted, the tool automatically removes the last symbol, in this case, the percentage symbol. That's why it's important that all the grades have a symbol, so that way it doesn't accidentally remove the last digit of the grade. Once the last student's grade has been imported, it will put you back at the spreadsheet right here, so that way you know that you're done, and then you can resume clicking. You can now import a second column if you want to, or if you want to go to a different class, then I recommend using the undo button to remove the grades, so that way you have a fresh sheet to start again. That's all for today.